It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hey, welcome back, and hope we can get out of the Chicago Basin because this is crappy. But I'll explain that in a bit. We are now at Weber, hopefully waiting for a green light or a red light to get loaded, and hope these get out of this Illinois area. Hit you guys up in a minute, and I'll let you know what's going on. Give you a story time. Alright, so I'm finally loading and getting the hell out of there. So here's the story of what happened to me on Saturday. As I was, I booked a load through Uber, and when I booked their load, it went pick up at 6 p.m. and no big deal. Then Friday morning, I get an email and a phone call saying they want to change the appointment to 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. Which they said, is that a problem, or you can cancel right now? And I said, no, that's not a problem. I can do that. So I showed up at 7 a.m. because there was an open window. When I got there, the receiving clerk tells me that my appointment's at 6 p.m. I said, okay, well, I was told that it was changed, and she said, nope, come back at 6. Can't wait on the facility. I said, okay, no problem. Called Uber, let them know. I walked off, or didn't walk off, I drove off, parked on the street, and proceeded to wait for 11 hours. When I got back, 5:30, I pulled it again, went in. New shipping clerk, gave my paperwork, said, okay, I'm ready to be picked up, and he goes, we only load this product from 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. And I'm like, well, I was here at 7 a.m. and they told me I had to come back. And he's like, yep, somebody made a mistake. We called Uber again, let them know, hey, this is what's going on. Uber, they're going to give me a tonneau, and they're also going to give me a couple extra for detention. Not that it's going to make up for the load that I lost because, well, I would have been delivering Monday morning. Now, trying to find a load at 6 to 8 p.m. on a Saturday night for Saturday, Sunday just doesn't work. So, got a load out of a little bit further down the way, picking up at Weber barbecues. Got a truckload full of barbecues, and gotta love it. We got loaded this morning, and now it's Monday morning, but we're rolling. So we'll see how the thing goes with Uber. But then to say, I basically spent the weekend in Chicago. Not really getting paid, fresh hours, just sitting. And that kind of sucks, but it's trucking. No big deal. Having fun now and on the road. And just glad I'm rolling now. So, it's going to be a couple days of driving. I don't know what footage I'll get. I know it's boring, but hey, my kids love to see me, so hey, have a good day.
Get on my head. 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 Get Get on my head.
It'll be fun, they said. Drive a truck, they said. This is ridiculous. So we got 50, 60 mile per hour gust of winds. And yeah, it's loads of fun. The wind is so bad. I don't know, it's hard to explain. You see the flat? It's pretty good. Loads of fun out here though. That's just what happens. Can't even stand up. 300 pounds. Yeah, anyways, just thought I'd check in with you guys. It's been bare knuckle, white knuckle driving when it's like this because I'm real light. I'm only 12,000 pounds. So, yeah, it's going to be fun. Alright, man. Talk to you guys. Alright, guys. Hey, I'll let you know what's going on here, man. This has just become a lovely trip. I'm in Albuquerque. Road closed. Due to snow, accidents, and whatnot. So we're sitting here waiting. I figured it'd be open by now. Apparently it wasn't. So this is what I get to look at. I've been looking at for a minute. It's been one heck of a trip. High winds. This is the second road closure. They closed I-40 in Amarillo. I don't know if it's the same dang storm or what. You got everything going on. And then tornado in Texas. And we had high winds and tornado warnings in Oklahoma. And yeah, well, that's what we got. And get to sit here. Welcome to trucking. So just hope it don't delay me too much. They're saying a couple hours, but you know, hey, it's all good. Anyways, this has been one heck of a trip. A lot of fun trip. So talk to you guys in a bit. Now, as I sit here, I'm sitting here. How fun would it be just to go make a snow angel? Because this is how long we've been sitting here. So, I don't know. Maybe start a snowball fight with the guy in front of me. That's how boring it is. Alright, see you guys. Finally got done, and we get to get moving on. And after sitting for several hours. Alright, folks, we made it to Phoenix. We are not quite inside Phoenix, we're right outside Phoenix, sitting at a truck stop. Didn't make it as far as I wanted to go. About 25 miles shy of Tolson. We're on the north side of Phoenix. And we'll get rolling in the morning, early thing in the morning. No problem, but the Albuquerque 6-hour delay kind of screwed everything up, but nonetheless, we got time. We'll get there going, and got a load out of there already, which is directly across the street from where we're delivered. So that's super nice. And when we're done with that, we'll be heading to Southern California. So anyways, we'll catch a hold of you tomorrow. Well, I can give you the last little bit of rundown. Sitting here waiting. Yeah, I don't understand some of these places, but it is what it is. Checked in. My check-in time was 6:46 a.m. and I check in at 6:45, and they tell me, nope, gotta come back after 7. But get in there, just stupid people. And then you sit there, and after you pull in, then you gotta wait. And that's actually what I'm doing now. It's just waiting for a door, which I don't know. But anyways, we'll be done here, and we'll be on our way, and got our load across the street. Hopefully we can get out of here soon. It's not gonna take us that long. We'll be heading to LA. And lots of fun. This load, not a bad load. It was from, I don't even know the name of the city. It's below Milwaukee, in between Milwaukee and Chicago, Illinois, and it came to Phoenix, Arizona, and it paid $4,500 for 1,700 miles. I think that's what it was, 1,700 miles. Not bad. And it got me back over here, so getting the load out of here, and we'll be on our way. If you're watching it, man, hey, thanks a lot. Bye.